Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best USB cutting tool reviews. Cordless electric scissors with dual blades for effortless cutting of fabric, cloth, leather, cardboard, and carpet. Powered by a 4 volts rechargeable battery and USB charging, it delivers up to 11,000 RPM for precise, fast cuts, lightweight and portable, perfect for DIY, crafts, and home projects.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.